The sun rises over the bustling city, Autoville. Garby goes about his daily routine.
Another beautiful day in Autoville. Time to keep our city clean. Aha! Here is the can.
Interacting with various vehicles as he collects trash, compacting garbage, and spreading positive vibes.
Good morning, Garby.
Good morning. Don't forget to recycle.
Hi, Garby.
There is one.
While doing his job, Bison and Bandit spot Garby and exchange devious glances. Then they set up a trap with garbage cans.
Let's have some fun.
What is this? To what? Oh no! Oh no!
Got you. Let's see how he likes this.
Yeah, take that. Let's play a game.
Bison and Bandit roam the city streets, destroying garbage cans to bully Garby.
What a mess! I can't leave them like this. I need to inform Hound.
Garby, overwhelmed by the mess, went for help.
Hi friends, come join me.
Blaze, Missile, Comet. Joins with Garby. They went to Hound to seek help.
I need your help, sir.
What happened, Garby?
Bandit and Bison are creating a mess.
With Hound leading the pursuit, the team chases Bison and Bandit to teach them a lesson.
You go this way, Missile. You go that way, Blaze. We will go straight.
Where are they? Where are they?
The Bandit brothers were not found anywhere.
Okay.
Tiger sets a trap with a few garbage cans to attract Bison and Bandit.
I have arranged a trap here so that we can catch them.
They position themselves to limit the duo's escape routes.
Hide in your spots and be careful, friends.
As the Bandit brothers approach to destroy it, Tiger and her friends spring into action.
What?
What?
Oh,
no.
You have to clean up the mess. That is your punishment. Okay.
Okay. We are sorry,
We
sir.
are sorry, sir.
Bison and Bandit, entangled in their own trap, begin to clean up the mess. Autoville celebrates the collaborative effort of the team. They transform the chaotic scene into order.
Thanks for the help, everyone.
Garby continues his routine with pride. Bison and Bandit, now part of the community,